Hi kids, today is my first day. Please learn with me. Thank you. Let's start. Cat. This is a cat. C for cat. Dog. This is a dog. D for dog. Cow. This is a cow. C for cow. Goat. This is a goat. G for goat. Elephant. This is a elephant. E for elephant. Monkey. This is a monkey. M for monkey. Horse. This is a horse. H for horse. Sheep. This is a sheep. S for sheep. Pig. This is a pig. P for pig. Donkey. This is a donkey. D for donkey. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. R for rabbit. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. G for giraffe. Hippopotamus. This is hippopotamus. H for hippopotamus. Zebra. This is a zebra. Z for zebra. Camel. This is a camel. C for camel. Deer. This is a deer. D for deer. Tiger. This is a tiger. T for tiger. Cheetah. C for cheetah. This is a cheetah. Thanks for watching with me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.